It's about how to determine the easy way, not very accurate, but it gives a good insight of how good your battery is. This one is 400 watt hours, as we can see. 400 watt hours. So when you charge it and you hook up a electricity meter like this one, make sure it has the function of measuring the amount of kilowatt hours just during a certain amount of time. This is the actual power that is drawn from the net. This is a previous charge, so I will reset it. So now it's set to 0. My battery is empty. My bike stopped working. And now I plug in the charger. And then it will start charging. And at the end of the charging, it will, you see, the power will be increased. I'm using the 4 amp charger at this moment. That's the standard charger, I believe. So it will charge with 4 amps, about 160 watts. And after charging is done, and it can take some time, the number here indicates approximately the capacity of this battery. And yes, for those who say, yeah, but you didn't calculate it in, the efficiency of your charger, they are correct. So this number will be a little bit higher than the actual capacity of the battery, of course. Because the battery is only 400, so this number could easily measure 430 or something like that. And then, yes, the capacity will be around the 400. Okay, I hope maybe this was useful for some of you. Bye bye.